This boy, in October 2013, this minor was taken into Indian custody and they killed him in October 21 on the charges of being a terrorist. What they did after Pahalgam, opened up the same playbook. So this is on 24th of April, 2 days after Pahalgam, we saw that the Indian media reported a fake encounter that 2 terrorists from the Pakistani side, they were infiltrating and they were killed. Look at their bodies, these so-called terrorists. They are 2 citizens more than 50 years old from a divided village, 2 Pakistani citizens from the Pakistani side of Kashmir. Clean shoes, shining moccasins, pistol and a planted gun and a planted pistol. And these are the terrorists that are going across in an area which is a border which is infested with military forces all over. And once the media went to their village and to ask the truth, listen to what the villagers tell about it.
आसानियाँ हो गया है ये दो हमारे बुजुर्ग भाई ये सदियों से यहाँ रह रहे हैं इनका बाप दादा यहाँ का रहने वाला है LoC के करीब ये गांव है कहीं मालूम पड़ोसी गुम हो जाता है LoC के करीब उनको ढूंढने के लिए गए इंडिया आर्मी ने शहीद कर दिए वो मार कर कहते हैं कि ये दहशतगर्द है और दहशतगर्द ये नहीं है हमारे 2 भाई इंडियन आर्मी ने इनको शहीद कर दिया है वो गाँव के ज़ईफ़ुल उम्र थे तकरीबन उनकी 50-60 साल उम्र थी और उन्होंने रिपोर्ट में डाल दिया कि ये पाकिस्तान के दहशतगर्द थे दहशतगर्द नहीं थे वो ज़ईफ़ुल उम्र थे एक का नाम मलिक फारूक और दूसरे का नाम मोहम्मद नंबरदार जो कोई दहशतगर्दी में नहीं पाए जाते हैं कि अरसा दराज से यहाँ रहते हैं और इंडियन आर्मी ने फायर करके उनको हलाक कर दिया मेरे 2 भाई अपने माल मवेशी ढूंढने के लिए LoC लाइन के करीब गए तो इंडियन आर्मी वालों ने फायर करके दोनों को शहीद कर दिया
The CNN team went to this village a few days ago and they went to the same village and what he found about the reality.
Elderly children and women are incredibly scared. He says, we want to take our livestock out to pasture, but the Indians are right there in front of us, and we're very concerned. Their fears may be well-founded. This 17-year-old says Indian troops killed his father, Malik Farouk. He had gone to the line of control to chase our cattle, he says. The Indians shot him and accused him of being a terrorist. He is not. He is a good man. The day after the massacre in Indian-administered Kashmir, the Indian government announced it had foiled a terror plot, killing 2 Pakistanis. Malik's brother denies the allegations too, says he was just a herder like me, believes India wants their land, before breaking down in tears. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. India's done a great cruelty to us, he says. If they want me to leave, put a bullet in my head. That's the only way I'll go.
What I want to bring to your notice is this: you as independent journalists, please go and find the facts. These are the facts. You pick innocent people, you murder them, the army sits and tells them these are terrorists. They do it on daily basis. That are these the terrorists that the Pakistan is sending across? They are innocent people. And on basis of that, you ratchet up concocted lies, a story, and you put it out in the media, in international media. You blame Pakistan. You don't provide any evidence, and then you say we will attack. This is exactly what they have done. Okay, that this terror plot was made by this and this. These are the mosques, and you attack mosques, the places of worship, right under the eyes of the international community. The fact of the matter is, yes, there is terrorism. There is terrorism that's happening in Pakistan on daily basis. And who is sponsoring it? It's India. I'll give you the facts of this Indian sponsored and abetted terrorism in Pakistan. First, listen to what their leaders, their political and military leaders themselves say. What the evidence which is available publicly, what it tells us.
जिस प्रकार से मुझे बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दिया है उसका आदर करते हैं
वो मेरे 125 करोड़ देशवासियों का है.
Pakistan's vulnerability is many times higher than of India. Once they know that India has shifted its gear from the defensive mode to defensive offense, they will find that it is unaffordable for them. You can do one Mumbai, you may lose Balochistan.
प्रधानमंत्री जी का लाल किले से बयान अपने आप में पहला है और मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई इस बयान को सुनकर.
इस फोन में बुक्ति, मरी, मंगल, कौन से सरदार का नंबर चाहिए मुझे बोलो, मैं दूंगा बलोचिस्तान में.
अगर हम पाकिस्तान के अंदर उनकी जो इंसरेक्शनिस्ट मूवमेंट्स हैं उनके अंदर थोड़ा बढ़ावा देते हैं, तेल फेंकते हैं, हमें वो करना चाहिए.
उन्होंने बलूची को दबा के गुलाम बना के रखे, तो उनको मुक्त करना है. The aims and the targets of
Kulbhushan Yadav, serving naval officer of India, doing terrorism, supporting terrorism in Pakistan.
Any kinds of requirements of them are conveyed back to the raw officials. The
terrorist leaders who surrendered, they are telling that how India supports them, how India sponsors terrorism in Balochistan.
अपनी ऐश वशरत की जिंदगी गुजार रहे थे, आम मासूम बलोचों को मरवा रहे हैं. इस तमाम साजिशों में खासकर इंडिया का हाथ है.
मेरा मुलाकात हमसाय मुल्क के इंटेलिजेंस वालों से हुआ. हम आपको सपोर्ट करेंगे रियासत पाकिस्तान को गैर मुस्तकिम होने के लिए.
एक महसूस ताकत बलोच को सिर्फ एक प्रेशर ग्रुप के तौर पर इस्तेमाल करना चाहते हैं, या मैं समझता हूँ कि इसका नुकसान सिर्फ बलोच कौम का हो रहा है. दुनिया की नज़रें तो हैं इस पे, इससे तो कोई इनकार नहीं कर सकता.
This is open source. This is available to you. This is, everyone is listening and saying, and they are openly saying and jumping that we are going to do instructionist movement inside Balochistan. We will support them. We need to fund them. There are people who they were funded and they are telling, yes, we were supported them. They have networks of people who take, they train them, they supply them weapons. There are terror camps actually inside India who are supporting, who are fueling this terrorism which is going on in Pakistan.